absolutely delicious.
Right. So the drink I've got is a Mai Tai. So it's basically an Asian version of a Sex on the Beach. So it's got orange, cacao, lots of nice stuff in there.
You want a soft drink? You like this, Joe? Try it.
I've tried it, yeah.
Hold on, man. Let's take a picture.
I'm gonna get you guys because usually are $6.
What are you supposed to do?
Blow it out and then shot it. And then drink the shot.
It's too hot. It doesn't come. How was it? How was it, Jamie?
Really delicious. It tastes like pineapple and lots of fruits and subtle hint of alcohol at the end. Very nice.
This is quite nice.
Yeah, it's got pineapple and then
There you go.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
So this is the roast pork char siu. This one is the vegetable chow mein. We've got the vegetable fried rice over here. And then we've got over here is the zhangzhou fried rice. And here we've got the Peking skillet beef on a hot sizzling pallet. So this is a roasted Peking duck pancakes. We've got the pancakes here. We've got the hoisin sauce, the cucumbers, and the spring onions. Let's eat.
If you come to the Atlantis Paradise Island, you have to come to the Chopsticks. The food is absolutely delicious. It's the best Chinese food I've eaten in my entire life. So the food here in Chopsticks was totally amazing. So the thing is, if you don't eat everything, you can take it away.
Oh, sorry, they're half hot.
So I think we'll have this tomorrow for lunch. So here in Chopsticks, if you don't eat everything, you can take it away and have it next day, which is really good. Yeah, because if you over order, you can actually take it away.
Oh no, mine grew.
Yeah, that's how it's meant to be. Here, take that.
This here,
Jennifer, what is
What
this?
is that one?
Vegetable spring rolls.
Vegetable spring rolls.
Okay.
You're going to do a boomerang with us.
Hey Pops, what drink you got there?
So I've got a Matsui Martini.
Nice. How's it taste?
Well, it's the first time I've had it, so wow, very strong.
Nice. It looks good.
It's got some cucumber in it, so it tastes cucumbery.
I hear it's got vodka and sake in it as well.
Yeah, it's got Grey Goose vodka. sake,
Yeah.
Cucumber.
and cucumber. So it's 1 in a million, right? So
Enjoy. Bottoms up. Okay, so we have 2 portions of fish and chips and 2 portions of organic chicken teriyaki. We have 2 sides of rice and asparagus.
So Jean, how was your meal?
My meal was very delicious and tasty. I had the fish and chips and it was delicious.
The organic chicken teriyaki I had was very delicious, succulent and filling. Couldn't have asked for a better meal. What about your fish and chips, Pop?
So for me, the meal was okay. It wasn't that delicious. For me, the best restaurant was Chopsticks.
The pineapple smash.
Pineapple smash.
It's good.
Cheers, Dad.
Cheers,
Yeah,
Pop.
cheers. Cheers, guys.
have any questions, so you have some information.
Evening guys, we're having our dinner today in the Seafire Steakhouse on the Marina Village, and it's got some lovely choices of cuts of meats, some fish, some nice bits of veg, and tonight me and Jennifer are going to be going for the fixed menu, having the iceberg wedge and the filet mignon 8-ounce steak with a mac and cheese. So here we have the halibut, fresh grilled halibut with a baked potato with cheese and bacon filling. Over here we have the filet mignon 8-ounce with a mac and cheese and a paprika demi-glaze. And over here we have a half a roasted chicken with, again, the paprika demi-glaze. And here we have another 8-ounce filet mignon with mac and cheese, grilled pepper, grilled garlic, and a paprika demi-glaze.
Oh, this food was absolutely delicious. I enjoyed the whole restaurant. Food was fantastic. As you can see, I've cleaned the bone. Everything is clean. Beautiful.
Red snapper. You can have it either grilled, blackened, or fried. Grilled, yeah, I'm gonna get grilled. Yeah, no, grilled tastes better. Evening guys, welcome to Bimini Road. We're here having a lovely dinner with the family. We've got some nice cocktails, some nice fish, some nice prawns, some nice mac and cheese. So here we've got the grilled red snapper, and on this side here we've got the blackened red snapper, and on the other side we've got some more grilled snapper, and on this side here we've got some lovely garlic shrimp. And we can't forget the mac and cheese as well.
So I've still got the
Rice and peas to come.
rice and peas.